what are we telling at the moment? Sorry.
Yes.
So yeah, the reading we got off this controller side is 548 RLU,
Yes.
which is the number of luminous bacteria apparently present
Yeah.
here.
Even though they clean it with
Even though
the
they clean
wipes
it,
and
so
you are
yeah.
in a facility, a
And
clean
we'll-
facility.
So that's the before result, and we're probably going to see what's the after going to be like. So yeah, after the quick cleanup and another swab test later, it came down to 82, which is
So in
pretty impressive. Yeah, coming
Yeah.
down from 548 to 82. Yeah.
the first clean.
Yeah.
Talk about the product.
Yeah.
The
Thanks.
product.
Yeah.